Hi, we're Amy and Pete, and in just about 3 minutes we're going to count down the top 5 things to do in Everglades National Park, including one of our favorite places to visit in the evening. Starting off at number 5 is taking a boat tour. Explore the coastal ecosystems of the Everglades with a boat tour from either Flamingo or Gulf Coast visitor centers. From the Flamingo Marina, you can choose to venture into the Everglades backcountry or the Florida Bay. From Everglades City, you'll cruise to the 10,000 Islands. There's plenty of wildlife to keep an eye out for, including manatees, dolphins, turtles, and a variety of birds. Number 4 is the Mahogany Hammock Trail. This easy boardwalk trail travels across the sawgrass marsh to a jungle-like hardwood hammock. This island of lush vegetation and dense broadleaf trees creates a unique microclimate in the Everglades that is home to air plants, gumbo limbo trees, and the largest living mahogany tree in the United States. Sitting at number 3 is to take an airboat ride. One of the most exciting ways to see the Everglades is to race through the waterways on an airboat. Experienced guides help spot wildlife, stop for photo ops, and share information about the Everglades ecosystem. There are 3 park-authorized providers for airboat tours in Everglades National Park. At number 2 is exploring Shark Valley. You can ride a bike that you rent or bring yourself. The flat bike trail heads to the Shark Valley Observation Tower, an elevated observation deck with panoramic views of the Everglades wetlands. If you prefer a more leisurely way to make the 15-mile round trip through Shark Valley, take the 2-hour tram tour. Shark Valley is also one of the best places in the Everglades for wildlife viewing. And finally at number 1 is the Anhinga Trail. Located in the Royal Palm area, the Anhinga Trail is our favorite trail in Everglades National Park. Walk this beautiful part paved, part boardwalk trail through a sawgrass marsh, and you're sure to find alligators, turtles, and a variety of birds, including the trail's namesake, the Anhinga. In the evening, the colors are spectacular. If you only have time for one hike when visiting, make it this one. If you have any questions about the park, drop them in the comments. Amy and I reply quickly. We're creating guides for every park in the US, so if you think we're on the right track, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. You'll also find links and coupons below for our park guides, custom park posters, and national and state park stickers. Thanks for watching.